What's up, guys? It's Hayden Swag. Welcome, YouTubers. I'm here today, and well, I'm here. Woo! I know I haven't been posting videos, and I always have an excuse. Yeah, my laptop haven't been working, have been crashing and freezing, and it's been a pretty hard time, and it's getting me very pissed off, and it's a very shitty computer now. I still love it. My laptop! Yeah, I think I have a virus on my laptop. Why would I have a virus on my laptop? Because my virus protection thing expired, and I didn't want to waste money on buying another one, protection thingy, bopper. And so yeah, and I think I should have done that, but who cares? I do. Well, moving right along, today's vlog gonna be about our starring guest. Are you ready, people? Here we are. It's gonna be about Fluffy. Okay, I'll be putting all the little outfits I have for Fluffy, and yeah, just all the little outfits for fun because I'm bored and I'm alone. Here we start. Her monster hat thing, adorable, right? Fluffy, Fluffy, don't leave. Fluffy. No love. Her dress! Stay here! Yay! Fluffy, you like it? Yeah. Get it, girl! Get it! Get it! Get it, girl! Oh! Oh! Oota, 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 oota. That red coat, though. Sexy dog! Oh, sexy dog! Give me those eyes. And the reindeer! Fluffy, 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 Fluffy. Well, that's all. I hope you loved her awesome, adorable, hilarious costumes/outfits. And please down below leave a comment which one was your favorite. And also leave below on a comment saying, do you dress up your pets? Have a nice day and adios.